Hi everyone. Alright, for the model for this video is gonna be a turtle, and I'm really obsessed with it kind of because it has this nice curvature to the shell, and yeah, it's really fun to fold. And also, by the way, sorry for not posting last week. It's just school started and it's kind of hard to juggle school and making videos. But here I am, and here's how to fold this. Alright, so for the turtle, I used a piece of green origami paper, which is what we will be using today. How ironic. But anyways, let's diagonally fold in half. Alright. Now let's unfold and fold diagonally in the other direction. By the way, we're going to make a balloon space now. So, what that means is we are going to fold all corners to the middle. Alright, excellent. Now, let's turn over and diagonally fold in half. And unfold and diagonally fold in half in the other direction. And we should have this. Okay, now we're going to do something a little bit tricky, but maybe not. So let's take this edge and fold to this edge, but let this flap swing out. And unfold, and same with this side. And let's fold this in like that. Okay, I just realized that I have to do it the other way, like I have to do it colored side up instead, so I'm going to change that quickly. Alright, so now this is white, sorry for the confusion, but anyways, let's fold this to the side. And rotate, and let's repeat over here. Alright, and that's what it looks like. Now we're going to take this edge and fold it to the center crease. Unfold and take this edge and fold it to the center crease. Now let us make a, what's it called? A rabbit ear. I'm losing it. And fold it this way. Now take this edge and fold it to this edge. Unfold, and fold this over to the right, and do the same here. Alright, there we go. Now, let's wrap this layer on the outside on the existing creases. So it should look like this. And then fold this over that way, and repeat that on this side, but let's first fold this over, and now we can repeat on this side. Alright, now let's do it on this side, do it on these two corners. Alright, now what we want to do is we want to take this flap and we want to squash it. So let's open it up like this, and then let's just squash evenly so it lines up on the center line. And let's fold that in, like so, and then do the same on this side. Alright, there we go. Now let's turn over and take mountain fold along this crease and fold up, I think. Yes, we fold up so that it reaches this point where the leg and the body align. When the stars align. No, just kidding. But yeah, now let's turn over, and we need a way to lock this. So let's reverse fold so that lines up with this crease right here. This crease. So let's reverse fold like that. Now it looks like this. And let's valley fold this over and tuck it into the top pocket. So let's open that and push that in. Alright, and then repeat on this side. So reverse fold, fold in, and then tuck inside the very tiny pocket. Alright, here we go. Now we have this, and now we will start on the curvature of the body. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to make a little bit of a pleat right here. So there's no real reference here. You just want to kind of do it from this edge to somewhere out here. That seems good. Do the same on the other side. And then fold both corners to the middle. Alright. And then let's just curve it out a tiny bit. And then we should have this. Alright, now let's pleat the tail in. So let's just, mountain fold it in like that. And out. And let's just make the tail nice and thin. I'm going to fold it out a tiny bit more. Alright, that's good. And then now what you want to do for this side is, so just make a pleat, kind of like this. Again, there's no real reference point. And same with this side. And then fold this out. And fold this in. And then there you have your turtle. After some cleanup, it should look like this. Alright, I hope you had fun folding, and see you in the next one. Bye.